Oh, it's another lovely dolly. Shall we let this one go since we already got a fish?
Actually, never mind. Hey, hey, nice.
All right, go get another one. All right. Hey Tommy, I'm gonna make lunch. You want to stay and fish?
Yep.
I wonder what this guy's been eating. His stomach's full. Little mosquitoes and flies, just thousands and thousands of bugs. There we go. I forgot.
To me, it's a bit separated to think too close to that.
Hot chocolate mix.
Irritates my throat with everything.
That's hot.
Yeah?
You just hold it and it'll warm up your hands first.